up, y'all? This is my second video that I'm making today. The first one was a freaking failure, but this right here, what we got in this pack right here, this is not gonna be a failure. I can guarantee you that, bro. I can guarantee you that. So this right here is a freaking disaster. Like I said before, I don't know when it happened, but I'm kind of glad it happened. Let's take a look. You see all this? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you see all this paint coming up right here? That's not gonna cut it. We just got the car wrapped. That's not gonna cut it, not one bit. But I just ordered a whole new one, so you about to fix this today. We don't even need these two pieces. I'm gonna keep this just in case something happens to these two in the future. But for now, all we need is this. So the plan is, I'm just gonna take this right here. I actually bought this off of Amazon. It's used. I do not condone buying expensive lifts, bro. Especially if you drive your car, because I be on the road and I've been through like, I don't even know, like 10 lifts. So spending big money on lifts, I ain't rich, bro. I can't just keep spending money on that, bro. So let's go ahead and get to it. This right here is the only tool we need for this video today. I got some 3M tape, but I don't think I need it. I'm just gonna reuse all the same screws that I did, all the same holes that I made and whatnot. So this should be quick and easy. All I gotta do is unscrew the main points. All these screws right here that I put in before. And then we're gonna try to unscrew it where it connect right here and right there. All right, we can get started with this center one right here. I really ain't been able to use this the whole day. I ain't find no good vantage points to use this. This one. That is not good. I would have to do some manual screwing. Let's see here. Am I gonna be able to take this out? Yes, I am. Yep, this should work just as planned. All right, now on to this side. Gonna start right here. One thing I really hate about doing stuff to my car is I hate jacking up the car. So one time, this is why. One time I jacked up the car and I thought it was fine. I don't remember what I was doing to this day. It might have, I don't know, it actually might have been doing my first undergo, my first LED undergo light. I jacked it up and the jack is like moved. It moved from the jack point and it got stuck underneath the car and the whole car turned. I thought it was gonna flip on his side, bro. Ever since then, I've been scared. Well, I'm not scared. It just, I don't know, I just be uncomfortable jacking up the car. It's one of the things I really hate doing. Move on to right here. like that. This is taken out, and this is going to the motherfucking trash, bro. Now it's time to put on the new one. This came out easy. It should go on back easy. So I put it up there to where it's supposed to fit. It looks like it fit in good and everything. So I'm gonna have my brother hold it up while I put the screws in, and then we should wrap this up. Actually, we was gonna have my brother hold it up, but it's holding up by itself pretty well. I really didn't expect that. So we have two different screws. Got a big longer screw and then a small one. These small ones are for right here, and these longer ones are for where it connects to the other side of the lip. Alright, let's get back to work. Now we're back to where we're supposed to be. It's time to put this lip on. Time to finish putting this lip on. What am I talking about? What I'm talking about?
Depo on the beat. Connect them with the little screws. So all it is. It's through. A lot. We're not right back to where we were. We gotta take them small screws out. Alright, I found all the screws that I had in the wrong places still. Let's get back to connecting these two parts together. And that's done. Yep. Put this big one right here. Now on to the other side. For the day, and that look like it's back to normal, except for these two spots. Bruh, I can't believe I did that. Can you really notice it though? Let me back up. Let me see. What y'all think? It's real noticeable, or I'm tripping? Either way, it don't matter. We still got these two pieces. We can put them back on another day, but for today, that's a wrap. Tune in for the next video. I got a lot of heat on the way, bro. I told y'all that in the first video, and I wasn't lying to y'all. And I'm out. By the way, this video was right after the other, so I still got all this on the ground, still had the car jacked up, all that. Now it's time to clean up. My least favorite part of doing anything to the car.